prove the following statement. We have to prove the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So how we can prove that? The given question is log of x to the base root b is equal to 2 into log of x to the base b. This is the given question. We have to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. So simply we will take left hand side. Left hand side equal to log root b equal to x. This we have to prove for right hand side. What we can write? Log of x divided by log of root b. As we can separate this, what we can say separate? Log of b to the base a. What we can write? Log of b upon log of a. This we can write. This we can replace over here. Okay, we can separate log of x upon log of root b according to this particular rule. Now what we can write? That is equal to log of x, that is equal to, what we can write? B raised to 1 by 2. That means log of x divided by 1 by 2. We can keep on the front of log. As we know, log of x raised to m equal to m x raised to n. Now 2 will go on the upper side, as that is 1 by 2. So this we get. So what we can write? Log of x, and this b we can write in the base. Now this is our right hand side. So this is how we have proved that left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. Now we will take one more question and we will try to prove, that is the given statement left hand side equal to right hand side. So let us take this question number 3. B raised to 4 x raised to 2 equal to log b root x. So this is the given expression. We have to take left hand side. Now left hand side is equal to log of b raised to 4 into x raised to 2. Now what we can write over here? This we can write as log of a upon log of b, log of x square divided by log of b raised to 4. From where we got this particular expression? That is log of a upon log of b equal to log of a to the base b. So this particular expression we have used. This is equal to 2 into log of x equal to 4 into log of b. This we can write. We can say 2 to 4. We can say 1 by 2 into log of x divided by log of b. This we can write. 2 we have taken on the upper side. Then what we can say? Log of x raised to 1 by 2. We can take this particular value on the power in the form of index, log of b. Now what we can write? Log of root x divided by log of b. Now this is equal to log of root x to the base b, and this is equal to right hand side. So hence we can say left hand side equal to right hand side, hence we can say hence proved. There is another way of framing logarithmic questions. Now given that the question is log of 2 equal to x, log of 3 equal to y, and log of 7 equal to z, then we have to express the following expressions in terms of x, y, and z. So these equations has been given to us, log 12, and we have to express in terms of x, y, and z. How we can express this log 12 in x and y and z? So first we have to note this log 2 equal to x as log 2 equal to x, comma, log 3 equal to y, and log 7 equal to z. This has been given, and we have to express this log 12 in terms of x, y, and z. So what we can do? We can break this 12 as 2 into 6, and 6 we can break 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and simply we can break 12 into 2 into 2 into 3, and what we can write after? Log of 2 plus log of 2 plus log of 3. This we can write. So what we can write? X plus this is again x plus this is your y, means what we can say? 2x plus 3. So this is how we can break the given expression in x, y and z. This log 3 equal to y, not 3. Sorry, this. Now let us take log 200. Let us try to break this. So what we get, log of 2 into 10 into 10. This we can break as log of 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. This is how we can break, and this we can break it as log of 2 raised to 3 log of 5 raised to 2. This is how we can break, and how we can express 3 log of 5, and we can express this as 3. This log of 2 can be expressed as x, 3 into x plus this will remain same, 2 log of 5. So this is how we can express the given equation as per the log 2 equal to x, log 3 equal to y and log 7 equal to z. The following given expression, simply you have to break the given equation and no need to adjust whatever has been given to us. Accordingly we can perform. The questions can be framed like this also. Solve the following. An equation can be such that 3 raised to x minus 2 equal to 12. Means what? We have to find the x over here. Whenever we said we have been told to solve, that means what? We have to calculate the value of something, and when we need to evaluate means one part will be given and we have to summarize that part, we have to minimize, we have to calculate the value of that particular part. Let's take this question number 1 and let us try to understand how we can approach for the calculation of x. So this is 3 raised to x minus 2 equal to 12. This has been given and we have to calculate the value of x. Now how we can calculate the value of x? 3 raised to x equal to 12 plus 2. This minus 2 we have taken on right hand side, so that will become plus. Now 3 raised to x equal to, this is 14. And now for solving the x, what we can do, we can take log on both sides. 3 raised to x log of 14, like this we can take, and this x will come in front of log. This is log of 14. Now what you can write, x equal to log of 14 divided by log of 3, and what we can write, log of 14 to the base 3, we can take that in base. So this is how we can approach the given equation. We will take one more example. 3 raised to 2x plus 1. This question number 5 we are taking 2 raised to x minus 2. So simply what we will do over here, we have to calculate the value of x. We cannot directly calculate as we know. So directly we take log, taking log on both sides. So let us take the log 3 raised to 2x plus 1 equal to log 2 raised to x minus 2. Now this is in index, or we can say power. So this will come in front of log like this. This is log 3. Now x minus 2 into log of 2. We can multiply this 2x with log by 3. So 2x plus log 3 plus log 3. We have opened this particular bracket. Let us open this bracket also. So x into log of 2 minus 2 into log of 2. So what we can write over here, 2x. Now remove this 2. 2 will go on 3 raised to 2. So that will become 9 plus log of 3. Now this will x into log 2 minus this becomes log 4. Now let us take log value on one side, x log 9 minus x log 2 equal to minus log 4 minus log 3. Take x common and multiply by 1. Log of 2 minus log of 9, and we will get this log of 3 plus log of 4. So x equal to what we get, log of a plus b, that is 3 into 4, and this we get log of a upon b, 2 upon 9. So log of 12 divided by log of 2 by 9. So this is how we have calculated the value of x for the given particular expression. So this is how we can approach for the given question.